Hello Bazali and hello boys and girls, this is Teacher Lwazi, and in this video we'll be doing 10 number bonds. Now for this video, I'll need you to have a book, a pencil, an A4 sized piece of paper, and 10 counters. Don't worry if you don't have counters, you can bring 10 rocks or even 10 teaspoons. You do know that before we do any maths, we have to count. Please can we count from 0 to 10? And then from 10 to 0. Please pause the video and count. Let me start by explaining what number bonds are. Let's talk about the word bond. To bond means to put together. So when we're doing number bonds, we're looking for two numbers that can be put together to make one number. And specifically, we'll be doing 10 number bonds. That means we'll be looking for two numbers or different sets of two numbers that make the number 10. There are two words that I'd like us to look at that are going to help us with our lesson. The first word is make. Can you say the word make? Good. Can you spell the word make? Let's look at the word and spell it. M-A-K-E. And the second word is and. Can you say and? Good. And. Let's spell the word and. 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 Now, I hope that you have your paper ready. Please ask mom and dad to help you take your paper and to fold it in half, like so. After folding it in half, please ask mom and dad to help you draw a line going across the top and one line going across the middle, like mine. And then, could you please draw 10 dots on the top for me? We're doing 10's number bonds. Now this paper is going to help us find the two parts that make 10, or two numbers that make 10. Now I'm going to use pegs. You use your counters, and as I count, you put them on one side of the paper. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. That's all our counters. Now I'd like you to open your book and write the date. Pause the video as you do. What do you notice with these counters? We have 10 counters on one side and 0 counters on this side. This helps us see that 10 and 0 make 10. Please write the number sentence in your book. 10 and 0 make 10. Now I'm going to move one counter to the other side. How many counters will we have left on this side? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And how many counters do we have on this side? We have one counter. This helps us see that 9 and 1 make 10. 9 and 1 make 10. Please pause the video and write the number sentence. Let's see what happens when we move another counter to the other side. Let's see how many counters we have left on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 counters on this side and 1, 2 counters on that side. This helps us see that 8 and 2 make 10. Please write the number sentence in your book. Now let's move another peg to the other side. How many pegs do we have on this side now? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And how many counters do you have on this side? We have 1, 2, 3. This helps us see that 7 and 3 make 10. Please write the number sentence inside your book. As you're doing the activity, I would like you to stop sometimes and count your counters just to make sure that they're still 10 and you're not writing the wrong number sentence. Now, I'm going to stop there for now. I would like you to continue until you have no counters on one side and all the counters on this side. So you should have 10 number sentences. Shoo, that was a lot of work, wasn't it? I'd like us to recap on some of the number sentences you have written in your book. This one is 1 and 9 make 10. Two and 8 make 10. 3 and 7 make 10. 4 and which number make 10? Clever. And 6 make 10. And the last one is 5 and 5 make 10. Do you know why we stopped there? That's because the numbers start repeating themselves. They just switch around. Like 4 and 6 make 10. That's the same as 6 and 4 make 10. And 3 and 7 make 10. That's the same as 7 and 3 make 10. I'm sure you get it. Once you get to 5 and 5, the numbers after that just repeat themselves. It's important that you master these number bonds. By master, I mean that it's important that you know them off by heart. So if I say to you 6, you should say 4. And if I say 5, you should know that the other part of 10 is 5. And if I say to you 1, you should know that the other part is 9 if I wanted to get to 10. Keep practicing until you get it right. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please remember to ask Mom and Dad to follow me on Instagram and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Till next time, thank you.